This is our assessment for ankle dorsiflexion. So ankle dorsiflexion is a movement prerequisite for many movements, especially the squat. Squats and pistols require a high amount of ankle dorsiflexion. And so ankle dorsiflexion is your ability to basically move that knee forward over the toe, which, as you can see, does come in pretty handy in a squat. So if you can't move that knee forward, it winds up pushing this back. It can put a lot of pressure on your hip. It can make a pistol damn near impossible. So we want ankle dorsiflexion. So to test yourself out on that, you could lean forward on the ground this way, making sure your heel stays down, and you kind of check and see, do I have adequate range of motion here? And there's definitely a range, but if you are, for example, trying to do a full depth Olympic weightlifting squat, you're going to need a good amount of ankle dorsiflexion so that you can get your knees forward so that your hips can come between your ankles, between your feet here. If you don't have this dorsiflexion, it's going to push you back, which is going to give you a forward angle, which is going to make catching a barbell on the front of your body super tough. So don't have enough ankle dorsiflexion if you can't get your hips in. Same thing with a pistol. If you go down and you fall backwards, you don't have enough ankle dorsiflexion. So that's how we test